All right, so the first step that we're gonna do, dig a hole. So gloves, tape measure, see how deep we are, shovel. So you see I got this baby dug pretty deep. You're gonna want this about probably 26 to 28 inches deep. Now, if you have like me and you have red dirt, clay, soil, yada yada, you have time, then you can take, once you hit the soil part or the clay part that you can't get through, just take yourself a bucket of water, dump it in there and let it sit. So I did half of this last night. I dumped a bucket in there, let it sit overnight, came in, chipped away at a whole nother foot. So I got down about a foot, hit red clay, filled it up with water like that, got down a whole nother foot. So I'm about where I need to be. Just needed to give that demonstration. We're getting rain tomorrow, so I'm not going to even do this for a couple more days. So we'll let that set, get down any further that I need to. Again, 26 to 28 inches. Then we'll get out that PVC fitting, see how she looks, and kind of adjust from there. So this is about 2 feet diameter hole. It goes down to about 16 inches, 2 feet deep. So that's about how big you want this to be. At least that's how I'm doing. All right, so we got a shovel, wheelbarrow, water. We got gravel. We got concrete. I got 8 bags. It may be overkill. We'll see. I don't know. We're gonna find out together. It'll be a good time. And then what we'll do is we'll go gravel. Get that nice and good, about 4 inches. We're gonna mix up the concrete. We're gonna put in our sleeve and kind of just slowly get the concrete around it. We got some levels. Check it and make it level. And then we will put this pole in there gently. Check level with the bigger level. Make sure it's good. Slowly take that out. Let her sit. Let's rip. Oh, one more thing. This sleeve, it's gonna go about 1 inch or 2 above the ground. That's where we want it to go. We do not want to get anything in that's pointless. Also, we want this bolt in those eyes right there.
For more info. Must-have clean background and driving record. You've heard all the Metco commercials talking about geotechnical.
So we're getting close to getting this thing filled up, so I'm just gonna take this top, get out my small, remove that cover, and just get this thing level. All right, so there it is. So smooth it out kind of. It's gonna be covered in grass or something eventually anyway. So it's just a couple inches above. Made sure that baby fit. That was about 6 and 2/3 bags of 80 pounders. So this baby should be in there. We're gonna let it sit overnight, then erect it.
That's a bad boy there.